So we have a garden that we've added to every spring. It's finally time to add a strawberry bed. Not only is our garden missing a strawberry bed, but I have a ton of scrap treated wood that I've used for garden beds in the past. This scrap wood is taking up valuable space in my small shop. I know that people prefer cedar, but we're comfortable with treated pine. If you're not comfortable with treated pine, use cedar. After foraging through my well-organized shop for scrap treated lumber, I had to figure out how much space I have to work with in the garden. I wasted no time in rearranging potted stinging nettle, a composter, and other pots of plants that are used to contain a variety of herbs. I have enough space for a 4-foot square strawberry garden bed. The plan is to put a second level on the top of the raised bed, a penthouse for the fancier strawberry plants. This is a leftover 2x8 that was bought at the premium price during the 2020 COVID pandemic. I cut it in half and lugged it out to the garden for assembly. I measured 2 feet from the fence and surrounding beds to make sure there's plenty of space to move around. Scrap 4x4 posts are used to hold each corner together. Clamps hold the 4x4 posts to the end of the 2x8s to make it easier to screw together. This is definitely easier than fumbling around with them on the ground. I'm using leftover structural deck screws to hold the corners together. If they start to come apart in the future, I can swap them out with larger screws. So far, I haven't had to do that with any of our other garden beds. The other half of the strawberry bed is also cut out of a piece of 2x8 treated pine that I had to actually go buy from the hardware store. It's carried out to the garden where there definitely aren't any snakes and screwed to the rest of the garden bed. I had to sister 2 2x4s together because I was out of 4x4 posts. At least that's what I could find in my well-organized shop at the time. To support the middle elevated garden bed, I used scrap 2x4s. These 2x4s were used to build a shelf at one point. They have a dado cut out of them. They should be plenty strong enough. There will be plenty of dirt filling in the entire bottom of the structure to give it additional support. I measure a foot in from each end. The 2x4s are screwed in position from the side of the garden bed. For the center top elevated penthouse strawberry bed, I'm going to use 2x6 treated lumber, which is left over from my sectional couch build. There's a video link in the description. The penthouse is going to be 2 feet on each side. It's clamped and screwed together on my workbench, not the garden ground where there definitely aren't any snakes. I should have put a few pocket holes in the sides of the penthouse strawberry bed. I pre-drilled a hole to make it easier to toenail screw into each side. And I ordered dirt mixed with mushroom compost. Now, I know how much dirt that I ordered and I know how much I paid for. I have no idea how much was delivered. I had about 6 times more dirt than I needed, so I shoveled and hauled it all over my yard, dumping, raking, and filling low spots with dirt for hours and days. I bought 24 strawberry beds from our local nursery. Within a few short weeks, we already have ripe berries for the birds and bugs to enjoy.